Hi, this is Damien Foley, and this is my MBA journey at the Melbourne Business School. So it's a Sunday night. It's 11:30 p.m. here on the 3rd of November. Just give a bit of a recap of what's happened so far since my last video. I've done on the Wednesday for work. I had a local buyers trade fair expo that I went to as part of our work. That was a really great event that was put on by my colleague Leanne. She's done a fantastic job. Rave reviews about what she's done from that. Then on that night, I went to, this is actually October was Indigenous Business Month. So on the Wednesday night, there was actually the Indigenous Business Month Awards, which I attended as a representative of Kinaway, and also obviously a former Murra alumni who is one of the Murra alumni. Murra Sonta, and is with Michelle Evans, both co-founders of Indigenous Business Month. So went to the awards for that, which is a great night. One of our members from from Kinaway was one of the winners of that one of the awards, which was fantastic. It was great to see her up there and sharing her experience of what she's achieved and being recognised for that, which was excellent. So that was a great night as well. Got to catch up with my Murra alumni from 2016, Mitchell and Krystal. It was great to catch up with Mitchell, obviously, and Krystal as well. Mitchell and I took some time to catch up and find out what we were each doing, and yeah, it was good. It was like old times in many ways. So yeah, it was a great night to do that. So ended up finishing the night and going around to the Prince Alfred and leaving there. I think it was about 11 o'clock. I finished up to make sure I got home so that I could get ready for work the next day. So yeah, it was a great night all round for the award. It was a great day completely with the trade fair and the Indigenous Business Month awards nights. So it was really good. I did on Thursday night had data analysis. That was for the night. We actually had a guest speaker come in who does data analysis as their work. That was very interesting to see how data analytics actually plays out and how it can actually be used for identifying all different information that can be gathered from it and how it's used and can be interpreted and applied. That was pretty interesting, actually. We've started looking at what have we started looking at? We started using Minitab Express for looking at correlations and things like that using Minitab Express. So looking at utilizing that. Got my mark back from, I think I've already said that I got my mark back from, or maybe I didn't. I got my mark back for data analysis midterm. I actually got 54 out of 100 for that. It was a 20 multiple choice questions, and that was actually the exam itself for that mark of 54 was actually scaled with a 75, I think, 75 mean or average. So I obviously got pushed right up because of that. So I passed the exam technically, but it also meant that I didn't actually do that great in the actual exam itself. So it just means I need to focus more on my studies. So yes, but in saying that, I've learned just today or last night, it was actually today I think, that we got our midterm presentation for managing people back mark, and we actually got 9.75 out of 10 for that. So great work by our team in managing people to achieve that mark. Great work by George, Priscilla, Fay and Pauline, and yeah, it was a great all-round team effort, I think. So we're actually now gearing up towards our final term presentation and report that we need to do, and preparing for that. So we're preparing what we need to do to make sure that we're focused and on target for delivering that assessment and doing it really well this time, as we did last time. So yeah, really proud of what our team achieved from that. It was an amazing effort and result all round. So, and as a result, we've also with our data analysis, we were dropped our term assignment for that, and my syndicate team for that is basically the same team that I had when we done our leadership assignment. So that's Nick, Aji, Prabat, Sam, myself, and we've also got an additional member to the team, which is Steph, for the data analysis. So yeah, look, so Prabat and I have started looking at that, as well as Steph on yesterday. We've started looking at the assignment, and we're going to plan to catch up on Tuesday, which is Melbourne Cup Day. So it's a public holiday here, and catch up to start putting together the assignment for data analysis for the term, syndicate work for that. On Saturday as well, Prabat and I both sat down and done our class prep for data analysis for the coming week to knock that over and get it done. So yeah, so I had a good chat with Prabat, and he was able to give me some great hints and tips, and explain a few things to me, because his work is around something similar around data analysis with the work that he does. So it's good to have these people that do this as part of their job to give guidance and to help to fellow students like myself to assist us to understand it a lot better as well. So that's good. We also got our managing our social responsibility and ethics assignments marked, and I got feedback for that. I'm just not sure what I got for it's a pass or fail subject. It's a half credit subject. So I just need to find out whether I actually did pass that. I'm assuming I did. I did get feedback, which was not the well. A lot of the feedback was potentially not great for most people that I spoke to, but I need to actually find out whether I actually passed it. I can't see the actual mark, so I just need to confirm that. I thought I'd done an assignment that would have achieved the requirement, but I just probably need to double check that I have actually passed that subject. So, and if I haven't, then I'll need to reset it next year as a half credit subject. The main focus to obviously be to do that assignment if it's the same requirements. It means extra paying and taking time off work to sit it, because it's a three-day subject. But if that's what's required, then I'll do that. But it'll be a lesson learned as well. What else? Today I have, apart from also doing, looking at rooms and inspections for places to live, because I obviously need to relocate. I did that yesterday morning and did it this morning as well. Get to find a place that is actually what I'm looking for. But I've got an Airbnb set up, so that's my fallback, is to do an Airbnb for 2 weeks. And if I don't find something after that, then I'll go another 2 weeks, which will get me on the other side of exams, which are early December, so that and then I can, be a bit more serious about putting more time and effort into concentrating on just finding a place. So yes, my main focus is more to be concerned about study as my first priority, and also obviously my second priority is work, so sorting that out. So yeah, so that's where I've been today. I've been working more so on managing people and getting my quiz survey done for managing people and getting that in because that's accessible, and started doing the readings for managing people. So I did have a date last night. I told them about the fact that I've only got, my work commitments and all that. Yeah, again, they've got to take it as is, and that's just how it is. So, I think we sort of came to the understanding that, what we're probably looking for is not going to work. So we said, well, maybe we can just catch up for drinks as friends and leave it at that. So, which I'm fine with. Might catch up once a month or something like that for drinks or dinner or something like that, which works for me. I'm fine with that. So, yes. We've got a public holiday here on Tuesday, as I said, for Melbourne Cup. That will be spent here at Melbourne Business School doing the assignment for data analysis, and then we have also managing people on that Tuesday night as well. So my team will be getting together prior to that and talking with our lecturer for our assignment to make sure that we're on the right track, and that's a requirement anyway, that we need to sit down with him for at least an hour to make sure that we're on the right subject and where we need to go to find the right subject matter to cover that. So yeah, we're set for that. So I think that's basically it. I have to admit again, last night when I was on the date, I was thinking after I left it that, because I think the date finished at about 7 o'clock. No, earlier 6 o'clock. It was just now a catch up for drink, and I was thinking to myself, oh, maybe I should go back and do a bit more study, but I actually had to tell myself not to actually do study. I needed to relax and take a break. And I think I went and somewhere and found a place to have a kebab or souvlaki, it's Greek, and went back home and had started watching a bit of TV or Netflix, and then I called up my friend who's up in Brisbane, and seen how they were, because I haven't spoken to them for over about a week and a half, so I took that time to do that as well. So yes, that's where I am. I've got work tomorrow in about, so yeah, it's 11:44 now that I've completed this video, 11:44 p.m. on a Sunday night. So I might not drop the video necessarily tonight. I will probably hold off until Tuesday to do the cut and actually drop it, because I really need to get home and get some sleep and get ready so that I've up at a decent hour for getting to work. So it just takes a later time for me to drop the video. So yes. Okay guys, I'm signing out. This is you can find me at Damien Foley. You can follow me on YouTube at Damien Foley, or my website at www.damienfoley.com/MBA. On LinkedIn it's Damien Foley 1. Facebook it's Damien Foley Official, and Instagram DG Foley. Okay guys, I'm signing out for the night, and I'll catch you later. Thanks, bye.